In this video, we will derive the formula for the area of an equilateral triangle. Consider an equilateral triangle with side A, and A. Since it is equilateral, all the three sides are of equal lengths and all the angles are 60 degree. What is equilateral triangle? All the three sides are equal and all the angles are 60 degree. So now let's draw an altitude from one vertex to the opposite side. This will be altitude. This altitude will bisect the base and divide the triangles into two congruent right angles. This A, B, C and D. BD, then BD is equal to DC. Okay, this altitude will bisect the base BC and divide the triangle into two equal parts. Triangle ABD and triangle ADC. So now in one of the right angles triangles ABD, the hypotenuse is the equilateral triangle. AB is A, which is A. Half of the base will be A by 2. Base BC is A and half of the base BD is A by 2, and the height will be H. Height is AB and the height will be H. Using the Pythagorean theorem, we can write H square A by 2 square is equal to A square. Hypotenuse AB, A square is equal to perpendicular H square, and BD is base A by 2 square. So simplify these equations. H square is equal to A square and minus A by 2 square. So H square is equal to A square minus A square by 4. So H square is equal to 3A square by 4. So H is equal to under root 3A by 2. Using the formula of triangles, so we know that the area of triangle is half base into height. Area of triangle half base into height. So half base is BC and height is AD. So half base base is A into AD, height H, AD is equal to H, then value of H is root 3A by 2. So the value of root 3 AD, root 3A by 2. Okay, so root 3A square A square and 2 into 2 4. So the area of equilateral triangle is root 3A square by 4. The area of equilateral triangle is root 3A square by 4.